everyone, this side Manisha, a certified nutritionist and a health and fitness coach. So today we're gonna talk about something for which I have received a lot of messages and queries from people that I only talk about foods that help in weight loss. But today's topic is totally opposite to it. That means superfoods that help in gaining weight. For some people, gaining weight or adding muscle can be just as difficult as losing weight is for others. However, simply adding certain foods to your diet can make your weight gain efforts both healthy and more effective. So, let's talk about those superfoods. First is homemade protein smoothies. Drinking homemade protein smoothies can be highly nutritious and quick way to gain weight. Making your own smoothies is the best way to add flavor and nutrient content. You can try some good options like chocolate banana nut shake, vanilla berry shake, chocolate hazelnut shake, caramel apple shake, and super green shake. Try these homemade protein smoothies for your weight gain. Second is milk. Milk has been used as a weight gainer or muscle builder for decades. It provides a good balance of protein, carbs, fats, and also a good source of calcium with other vitamins and minerals. Try drinking 1 or 2 glasses of whole milk that contains 149 calories per cup. Have milk as a snack with a meal or before and after a workout. If you are training, drinking milk is a great way to add protein to your diet. It contains both casein and whey protein. Third is rice. Rice is a convenient, low-cost carb source to help you gain weight. Just 1 cup of cooked white rice provides 204 calories, 44 grams of carbs, and a very little fat. Rice is also a fairly calorie dense, means you can easily obtain a high amount of carbs and calories from a single serving. This helps you eat more food, especially if you have a poor appetite or get full quickly. Rice is a great source of carbs that are easy to consume and digest. Fourth is nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters are perfect choices if you are looking to gain weight. Just 1 small handful of raw almonds contains 120 calories, 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of healthy fats. Since nuts are very calorie dense, just 2 handfuls per day with a meal or as a snack can quickly add hundreds of calories. Nut and nut butters are delicious high calorie treats. They are great for you and easy to add to many of different snacks or recipes. Fifth is potatoes and starch. Potatoes and other starchy foods are a very easy and cost-effective way to add in extra calories. Healthy starch is a great way to get important nutrients and fiber, boost your calorie intake, and increase your muscle glycogen stores. Try to choose one of these healthy sources of starchy carbs like quinoa, oats, corn, buckwheat, potatoes and sweet potatoes, squash, winter root vegetables, beans and legumes. Sixth is whole eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest muscle building foods on the planet. They provide a great combination of high quality proteins and healthy fats. Each large raw egg weighing 50 grams has about 74 calories. It's also very important to eat the whole egg. In fact, almost all of the beneficial nutrients in eggs are found in the yolk. Eggs are very versatile and can be cooked in a number of ways, including boiling, poaching, frying, baking, and scrambling. Seventh is dark chocolate. High quality dark chocolates provides a ton of antioxidants and health benefits. Dark chocolates with at least 70% cocoa is said to regulate stress hormones and blood sugar levels. It may also help reduce the risk of heart diseases, some cancers, inflammation, stress, and type 2 diabetes. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants and other nutrients, along with plenty of calories to help you gain weight. 8th is cheese. Cheese has been a staple food for centuries. Like dark chocolates, it's high in calories and fats. Since cheese is tasty, you can incorporate it into many dishes and easily add several hundred extra calories. Just 28 grams of cheese has 110 calories and 7 grams of protein. Cheese is a very good source of protein and rich in healthy fats. 9th is dried fruit. Dried fruit is a high in calorie snack that also provide antioxidants and micronutrients. You can get many different types of dried fruit and they all have a naturally high sugar content. This makes them great for gaining weight, especially since they are convenient to eat and taste good. While many people think fruits lose most of their nutrients when dried, this is not the case. Dried fruits contain lots of fiber and most of their new vitamins and minerals remain intact. 10th is whole grain bread. Whole grain breads are another good carb source. To help you gain weight, you can make some very simple, high calorie and well balanced meals by combining bread with protein sources such as eggs, meat, and cheese. Sandwiches are one of the easiest, most versatile meal that help you in gaining weight. Their ingredients are limited only by meats, cheese, veggies, nut butter spread, avocado, and more. So, the bottom line is the secret behind gaining weight is consistently eating more calories than you are burning with activity. Lifting weight is important too, so that the additional calories from foods and high calorie snacks can be used to build muscles instead of just adding fat. Also, it is very important with weight gain to stay active and healthy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do tell us in the comment section. Also, do like, share and subscribe the Dietix.